Right, timing chain covers on. We're getting the oil pump ready. The oil pump's on and torqued. We're getting the oil pan ready to go on. One thing you don't want to do is put your oil pan on and forget to pick up your pickup screen on the oil pump. That would be a disaster, wouldn't it? But did I mention we're back? Man, this has not been a good day at all. Time is just flying by. We've been doing this for about 10 minutes, but it seems like fucking supposed to be done in 5. No, all bullshit aside, way behind schedule. I had planned on already dropping this motor inside the car. This motor's got to be in by tonight. It's got to be buttoned up by tomorrow night and ready to fire by Saturday if I'm going to make it to Vegas. Oh. Getting a little sloppy. I don't think I can brush and talk at the same time. It's like chewing bubble gum and fucking walking. How many of you guys can do that? Thank you very much. Is that which one did you find, Dave? Just black?
Yep.
What's the one Max got? What's better, the gray or the black? One more thing you don't want to forget is the shaft that goes in between the oil pump and your distributor. That would be a disaster. New one, got this guy. Thank you very much.